Hey guys, today we're making this miniature microwave. I know it's not perfect, but I hope you'll enjoy. Roll out some white clay and cut out a back and two sides for the inside. For one of them I added a small frame on top and poked some holes to look like the vent or light thingy, and then for the other side I made a few similar details. Pre-bake the sides and attach them to the back, then bake for another couple of minutes. Next you want to cut out two pieces for the top and bottom. Attach these and bake again. I then added some TLS mixed with white pastel to conceal the seams and add strength. And yes, you guessed it, bake again. Now begin covering the outside with any color of clay you want. You can use liquid clay to make it stick. The only part I didn't cover was the back, but that's completely up to you. I also added a few extra layers where you want the control panel or whatever you call that section. And to make the vents on the outside, I just used a strip of metal from the receivable cake pan. Then bake. Next, roll out some black clay and create the back side of the door. Add the colored clay on top, leaving a small strip without it where you want the handle. Add details and bake. I chose to use the F-Color enamel powder again, using the same technique as in my other appliance tutorials, so to save time I'm not going to go into details about that. You also want to make a simple bottom piece and glue this in place. For the glass I used a piece of plastic from some packaging and added black acrylic paint on top. Make sure to seal with glaze when you're done. Clean up the details with acrylic paint as well and glue the handle in place. To make the door open and close, I used my electric file to make some dents where the hinges would fit. I then just made 2 hinges the same way as in my waffle iron tutorial and glued these in place. To make it a bit more metallic looking, I mixed glaze and Pearl X pigment and added a few coats of this to the outside. For the microwave plate I just used a circle of shrink plastic.